Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to see dates of all your modules. Like, you can actually view all the dates of your modules and have them as one picture if you want. I mean, like, you can just screenshot the whole thing and then have it in your gallery at all times. So you're gonna go into my admin. All right, you're gonna log in. Oh man, I hate this. I did not save my details. All right, so now we are logged in. I had a problem. It did not want to go through. I don't know why, but okay. So as you can see, now we have two sections, which is my admin and my modules. So we're gonna go into my admin. All right, and then once we click my admin, now this section is available to us and we can go anywhere we want to go. So if you're looking for something on student finance, you go into the finance section, and then once you click on that, it'll give you options. Student admin, it has options. Study material has options. Assignment admin is the one. Assessment admin is the one that we're going for. So I'm gonna go into assessment info. You put in the login details that you put in when you're signing into your modules, right? It's the same thing over and over again, so nothing changes. All right, so we're gonna log in, and when you reach this page, if it does not appear properly, what you can do is that you can click on your browser, just go into the menu, and then there's a zoom section. You just reduce the size of that. All right, and then now, okay, wait, I think I did it too much. All right, now I can scroll down and see most of my assignments. Like, I don't want to scroll down and only see like three assignment per scroll. I don't want to do that. So right here there's a date. This is the due date of every assignment. This column right here is the due date of every assignment, and your marks are gonna appear somewhere here. This is gonna be the percentage. I think this is gonna be the mark here, but I forgot. I don't remember really well, even though I did see this last year, but I don't remember. But yeah, this is where you see everything, like how you performed, how far you have until your last assignment, which my last assignment will be on the 18th. Wait, what? Okay, nah. Yeah, they are not in order. So if they were in order, then my last one would be at the bottom. So I see here there's like 10 October 28th. So yeah, they're not in order, but you can, if you have time, you can actually find when your last assignment is going to be. So yeah, and like, to see that you passed, once you're in this section, you go down here, there's year marks, you click on that, and it's gonna give you a summary of all the assignments that you've done, right? Let me make it full screen. All the assignments that you've submitted, and the percentage that you're contributing towards the final mark of the year so far. Like, it gives you real-time information of what you're currently contributing towards the final mark, so you'll know if you're failing or passing already, and if there's a mark that you have to reach so that you can get the certain mark that you're aiming for. So yeah, this actually helps you just figure out where you're at, where you headed, and how you can save yourself, you know, from if ever you failed a module and you don't know how many marks you need for you to pass. Yeah, you can just calculate that right there and be sure of whether you're passing or not. Yeah, this is a fight that we all fighting. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys pass. Okay, so yeah, that's it from me. I hope you guys have a good day too, and if you like the video, please subscribe. It helps not just me, but also you guys and other people who cannot find such stuff. You know, YouTube just recommends this to other people who also need help. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.